Hello, Classic Car Info fans. Today, we're uncovering 20 classic cars you can grab from the marketplace at amazingly low prices. Don't miss out on these great finds. The purchase link is in the description of this video.
Number 1. This 1974 Pontiac Bonaventure, listed for $5,000 in Valley, Nebraska, is a full-size cruiser with only 67,000 original miles, a smooth-running automatic transmission, and a rust-free brown exterior with a matching tan interior that's in solid shape overall. Often mistaken for a Catalina, the car is still being driven occasionally, so mileage may slightly increase. According to the seller, it's dependable enough for long trips and daily use, offering comfort, style, and vintage road presence. With its clean condition and strong reliability, it's a great opportunity for anyone seeking a big-body classic that's ready to roll without needing major work. Number 2. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova sedan, available for $5,500 in Chandler, Texas, is a dependable daily driver with just 65,000 miles and a clean title. Under the hood is a strong 250 inline 6-engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. It sports a blue exterior with a contrasting black interior. Both the electrical and drivetrain systems are reportedly in solid working order. While the radio is non-functional, the car remains mechanically sound and ready for the road. Affordable and simple, this Nova offers classic charm and practicality without the high cost. Make it a smart entry-level vintage ride. Number 3. This 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 sedan is a one-owner survivor, priced at $5,500 in Sherman, Texas. With only 45,000 original miles, it still wears its factory white paint and turquoise interior, a reflection of its garage-kept history. Powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it fires up with gas and battery, though turning the key causes smoke, likely from a faulty ignition switch. Off the road since 2006, it remains a true time capsule, needing minimal effort to return to glory. It comes with a clean title and will need to be towed due to its current condition. Number 4. This 1959 Edsel Ranger, priced at $8,000 in Temple, Texas, shows only 21,000 miles and hails from Dry, Arizona. It's powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy to enjoy on the road. The matching red exterior and interior present well for its age, and the air conditioning is fully functional. Extensive original owner documentation and a clean title add to its collectible value. As a complete and clean survivor, this vintage piece of Ford history is offered for cash or trade. Perfect for anyone seeking a standout classic with character and provenance. Number 5. This 1965 Mercury Comma hardtop is priced at $8,500 in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Rarely seen in this configuration, it's a K-Code classic powered by the high-performance 289 Hyper V8, producing 271 horsepower, mated to a C4 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch rear end. It delivers both muscle and cruising comfort. With just under 59,000 miles, this Texas Survivor wears a white exterior over a gray interior and has had its front suspension refreshed. It runs, drives, and stops well, though it could use minor repairs and a proper alignment. Offered with a clean title and solid structure, it's perfect for restoration or light customization. Number 6. This 1967 Chevrolet pickup, priced at $7,000 in Siloam Springs, Arkansas, is a fully upgraded classic that's ready to hit the road. It's powered by a 305 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, headers, and a new carburetor. The truck also features an aluminum radiator with an electric fan and controller for optimal cooling, along with Posey traction, new brakes, and fresh engine components. The red interior complements the black exterior, and the truck runs and drives smoothly. If you're looking for a sharp, reliable vintage truck with all the right upgrades, this one's ready to impress. Number 7. This 1987 Lincoln Town Car is priced at $7,500 in Norway, Iowa. A true gem, this two-door luxury sedan has 118,485 miles and has always been stored indoors, ensuring its preservation. Powered by a smooth-running automatic transmission, offers a refined driving experience. With a clean brown exterior and matching interior, it remains in remarkable condition, showing no known issues. All original parts are intact, making it a standout survivor from the golden age of American sedans. If you're in search of comfort and classic style, this Lincoln offers a smooth ride and timeless appeal. Cash only, and it's ready to impress. Number 8. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $8,500, is a classic icon with 68,000 miles. Powered by an inline-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it's finished in yellow with black interior. It boasts new tires, a new fuel pump, and a new tank, ensuring it's ready to go. This Mustang presents itself as either a solid restoration project or a reliable as-is classic. It comes with a clear title and is available for local pickup only. The seller is open to trades of similar value, making it an ideal opportunity for Mustang enthusiasts looking for a great starting point. Number 9. This 1973 Mercury Montego is priced at $5,000 in Cantonment, Florida. A rare and underrated classic. It features a powerful 351 Cleveland engine paired with a smooth-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. With only 86,000 original miles, it runs and drives great, though the heater and AC aren't functioning and there's some rust on the driver's side quarter panel. The body and floor pans are otherwise solid, making it a great project car. Finished in a striking gold exterior with a brown interior, it offers plenty of potential. Priced at $5,000 or a best offer, with trades considered for equal value. Number 10. This 1977 Dodge D150 long bed, priced at $5,000, is a reliable and mostly original classic truck. Powered by a smooth-running 318 V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. Recently updated with a new radiator, alternator, ignition switch, starter cylinder, regulator, brakes, and brand new tires, it's in solid mechanical shape. The tan exterior and brown interior add to its vintage appeal, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking a dependable workhorse or a classic truck to restore. With no trades being considered, this road-ready D150 is a great value for someone looking for a reliable vintage ride. Number 11. This 1981 Ford F-150 Custom is available for $4,850 in Weatherford, Texas, a clean survivor with just 77,113 miles. It's powered by a 6-cylinder engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and a reliable drive. Featuring a new carburetor and fuel lines, it starts up reliably every time. The brown-on-brown finish is well preserved, showing only minor signs of age. While the AC compressor is locked up, all other features function properly. With a clean title and solid reliability, this classic truck is ready to serve as a daily driver, an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable and vintage pickup. Number 12. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, priced at $6,000, is a rare vintage beauty with only 63,245 original miles. Finished in red with a black interior, it's powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a nostalgic and fun driving experience. The car runs and drives great, equipped with nearly new tires, making it an excellent choice for weekend cruises or car shows. Located in Mountain View, Arkansas, this Corvair is available for trade, though the seller is not interested in project vehicles. Don't miss a chance to own this iconic classic. Number 13. This 1978 Dodge Monaco 2-door, priced at $6,500 in Lake Butler, Florida, brings together classic style and modern street performance. Powered by a 1968 318 V8 engine paired with a 904 automatic transmission, both recently serviced and resealed. This muscle car offers a cam engine, Edelbrock carb, new headers, and true dual exhaust. It sounds as good as it looks, rolling on old-school staggered Keystone wheels. While it could use minor fixes like a pinion seal and lockdown linkage, it's ready to hit the road and is daily drivable. Clean title in hand, no trades or payments accepted. Number 14. This 1990 Chevrolet Suburban 1500 4x4, priced at $5,000 in Powhatan, Virginia, is a rare find, boasting a low 67,000 miles on its 454 big block engine. It comes with an automatic transmission, which shifts smoothly for a reliable driving experience. With only 2 owners, this full-size SUV has been meticulously maintained. Serviced exclusively at Gwatney Chevrolet for the past 30 years by the seller's father-in-law. The classic blue interior and exterior complement its flawless performance, smooth shifting and reliable running. Whether for family road trips or weekend projects, this dependable Suburban is ready for action. Offered with a clean title, it's a solid, collectible SUV with great potential. Number 15. This 1972 Buick LeSabre, priced at $7,500 in Chicago, Illinois, is a solid example of early 70s cruising comfort. With only 72,000 miles on the odometer, this blue coupe runs great and is powered by an automatic transmission. The car is mostly intact and mechanically sound, though a new paint job would bring out its full potential. Combining full-size comfort with classic GM styling, this LeSabre offers an affordable opportunity for anyone looking to restore a vintage ride with minimal effort. It's a great find for someone looking to bring a bit of luxury back to the road. Number 16. This 1976 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D, priced at $2,000 in Crewe, Virginia, is a promising project car featuring a rebuilt 400 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. Finished in deep burgundy with black interior, it boasts swivel bucket seats, dual exhaust with cutouts, and a muscle car stance. While the engine needs some tuning, and the car requires finishing touches, many parts are included to complete the build. The seller is open to trades, especially for a motorhome. With great potential, this Monte Carlo is an excellent foundation for a classic GM cruiser project. Number 17. This 1984 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat is priced at $6,000 in Mission, Texas, and comes equipped with strong-running 302 V8 paired to an automatic transmission. With only 85,000 miles, it's in impressive condition both inside and out. Featuring a white exterior and a well-kept red interior, recent maintenance includes new tires and a replaced radiator, making it a dependable classic truck that's ready for the road. This 2-wheel drive pickup captures old-school appeal while remaining practical for daily use. All backed by a clean title and solid mechanicals for peace of mind. Number 18. This 1981 Ford F1, priced at $5,000 in Emoji, Oklahoma, is a rugged and reliable classic truck with just 68,000 miles and a solid manual transmission that enhances its engaging driving experience. It sports a bold red exterior, new tires, battery, exhaust headers, and has had both the brakes and transmission recently rebuilt. With V8 power and an aggressive stance, it channels muscle car energy in a practical pickup form. The truck is fun to drive, draws compliments wherever it goes, and comes with a clean ownership history, making it a compelling choice for vintage truck enthusiasts. Number 19. This 1987 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $5,000 in Holland, Ohio, is a partially finished project car with only 30,886 original miles and a bold bullet green paint job. Under the hood, it's estimated to produce 450 horsepower and comes paired with an automatic transmission for easy cruising once completed. The rust-free body is complemented by a professionally redone interior with new seats, a Phytec car, battery, and fuel pump. While it still needs brakes, exhaust, and minor finishing touches, over $12,000 has already been invested in upgrades, making this a great value for someone ready to finish the build. Number 20. The 1966 AMC Ambassador 990, priced at $1,000 in Brooks, Georgia, is a rare and budget-friendly project for true AMC enthusiasts. Though it's been sitting for some time, it still starts and features an automatic transmission. which unfortunately slips in reverse, and doesn't engage in drive. The motor runs but tend to overheat, and while rust is present, it's said to be manageable. With its vintage design and potential for restoration, is an ideal candidate for a full rebuild or a parts donor. Seller is also open to trades.